In the world of maintenance, planning and scheduling are not just tasks, they are the backbone of reliability. Yet many organizations stumble over common mistakes that can derail their efforts. Let's dive into the top planning and scheduling mistakes that can kill maintenance reliability and how to avoid them. First up, initiating work requests. It sounds simple, right? But too often, work requests come in without clear details. A vague request can lead to confusion, wasted time, and resources. When a technician receives a work order that lacks specifics, they spend precious hours trying to figure out what's needed. To combat this, ensure that every work request is detailed. Include the problem description, location, and any relevant history. This clarity sets the stage for effective planning. Next, we have screening and approval. This stage is crucial for filtering out unnecessary tasks. Yet many teams skip thorough screening, leading to a backlog of low-priority tasks that clutter the schedule. A well-defined approval process helps prioritize work based on urgency and impact. Establish criteria for what constitutes an emergency versus routine maintenance. This way, your team can focus on what truly matters, ensuring that critical tasks don't get lost in the shuffle. Now, let's talk about work prioritization. It's easy to fall into the trap of treating all tasks as equally important. This is a mistake. Not all maintenance tasks are created equal. Implement a priority system that categorizes work based on factors like safety, production impact, and compliance. By doing this, you can allocate resources effectively and ensure that the most critical tasks are addressed first. Remember, a well-prioritized schedule is key to maintaining operational reliability. Moving on to planning the work. This is where the magic happens, but it can also be a pitfall. Poor planning can lead to delays, resource shortages, and even safety hazards. It's essential to involve the right people in the planning process. Collaborate with technicians, engineers, and operators to gather insights that can inform your plan. Additionally, consider the tools and materials needed for each task. Having everything ready before the work begins minimizes downtime and keeps the workflow smooth. Finally, let's address backlog management. A growing backlog can be a sign of deeper issues within your maintenance strategy. It's easy to let tasks pile up, but this can lead to chaos and decreased reliability. Regularly review your backlog and prioritize tasks based on changing conditions. Set aside time for backlog reduction initiatives, ensuring that your team is not just reacting to issues, but proactively managing them. As we wrap up, remember that effective maintenance planning and scheduling is a continuous process. Avoiding these common mistakes can significantly enhance your maintenance reliability. Take the time to refine your processes, involve your team, and prioritize effectively. For those looking to dive deeper, consider downloading our guide on priority systems. It's packed with insights that can help you transform your maintenance strategy and drive reliability in your operations.